The Breguet G.111 was an experimental French helicopter developed in the early 1950s by Atelier d'Aviation Louis Breguet in cooperation with Société Française du Gyroplane. It represented the final stage of a helicopter program that traced its origins to the pioneering rotorcraft research of Louis Breguet, one of France's leading aviation innovators. The aircraft evolved from the earlier Breguet G.111E, itself derived from studies conducted during the Second World War. Like Breguet's successful 1930s gyroplane laboratoire, the G.111E employed a coaxial rotor arrangement consisting of two 3-bladed counter-rotating rotors mounted on the same axis. This configuration eliminated the need for a tail rotor and improved torque balance, but it also increased mechanical complexity. The first G.111E flew on the 21st of May 1949. Powered by a 240 horsepower Potez 9E radial engine, it proved underpowered during testing. To improve performance, Breguet redesigned the helicopter and installed a far more powerful 450 horsepower Pratt Whitney R985 Wasp Junior 9-cylinder radial engine. The upgraded version received the designation G.111. Several modifications accompanied the new engine. The diameter of the coaxial rotors was increased to 9.6 meters, approximately 31.5 feet, while the fuselage was lengthened by approximately half a meter. The enlarged cabin accommodated 4 passengers seated behind the pilot, compared with only 2 in the G.111E. Breguet also proposed a medical evacuation version capable of carrying 2 stretcher patients and 2 attendants. The G.111 began flight testing in 1951. Although the helicopter demonstrated acceptable handling and reliability, its overall performance remained unremarkable. It offered no decisive advantages over competing French helicopter projects, many of which used the simpler and less expensive single-main rotor configuration with a tail rotor. Economic factors also worked against the aircraft. Société Française du Gyroplane entered bankruptcy during the testing period, ending financial support for the program. At the same time, Breguet's factories were heavily occupied with conventional aircraft production, including the famous DuPont transport aircraft. With no military or civilian orders secured, development of the G.111 was abandoned. Only one example of the helicopter was built. Although it never entered production, the Breguet G.111 remains an important chapter in the history of French rotorcraft engineering and a notable experiment in coaxial helicopter design.